Okay, this is very interesting, guys. There's a ship, but it's not a ship. It's a church. It's a church in the shape of a ship. See that? I have never seen anything like that before. Should we go check it out? Let's see what it is like inside. The inside of the church ship. Very interesting. It has a little deck area. You go upstairs. It's quite cool. It's such a unique little church. And now I am on the deck of the ship. I want to find somebody who will tell me why this church is in the shape of a ship. Why is the church like a ship?
Yeah, that's Noah.
Ah, Noah's Ark.
They have escaped to the ship now.
Ah.
Only they and their some animals are escaped.
Oh.
So that's the memory of that.
Oh, I see. It's like Noah's Ark.
Yeah.
That is why it's shaped like a
Yeah,
ship.
yeah.
Thank you.
एक फादर का यहाँ जर्मनी में होके आया था वो फादर के दर्शन में ही बनाया
Most unique church I've ever seen.
Yeah, you know this is the first church in Kerala, ship church.
I think it's the first church in the world. There are other churches.
Maybe I don't know, but I can say that India.
India's first ship church.
Yeah,
I've never seen a ship church.
Yeah.